students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's find the solution for 8th question in exercise 7.2. So let's start with the first subdivision, integral of x plus a the whole squared divided by root x dx. So first we will expand the numerator using the formula a plus b the whole squared. So this is a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. The whole thing, I still have this root x as such into dx. Now every term we have to divide by root x. So integral of x squared divided by root x is nothing but x to the power 3 by 2 plus this will be 2a into root x plus a squared into, I am taking this root x to the numerator, I can write this as x power minus half dx. Now that we have made all the necessary modifications, let's start the integration. So integral of x power 3 by 2 is x power 5 by 2 by 5 by 2 plus 2a is a constant, so outside. Integral of root x is x to the power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 plus a square again is a constant. You're just integrating x to the power minus half. So after integrals, it is x to the power plus half by 1 by 2 plus c. Now every term we are just going to rearrange. So this is 2 by 5 x to the power 5 by 2 plus this, when it goes to the top, it is 4 by 3a x to the power 3 by 2 plus 2a squared. You can write x power half or you can also write it as root x plus c. Now let's take the second subdivision in this question. Second subdivision here is integral of x cube minus x squared plus x minus 1, the whole thing divided by x minus 1 dx. So now for the numerator, actually we can factorize this polynomial. So let's do that before we substitute here. So x cube minus x squared plus x minus 1. Let's see how to factorize this. I'm taking x squared from this term common. So x squared into x minus 1. From here I'm taking plus 1 common. So it is x minus 1. So I can rewrite this as x squared plus 1 into x minus 1. Now this I'm going to substitute here. So integral of the numerator gets changed to x squared plus 1 into x minus 1 by the whole thing x minus 1 dx. So in the next step, I can simply strike out the common term and rewrite this as just x squared plus 1 dx, because this numerator and denominator, they are in the product form as well for in the numerator, so I'm able to strike it out. So in the last step, we can just integrate. So integral of x squared is x cubed by 3. Integration of 1 is just x, so plus c. So in the next video, we will find the solution for the 9th question in this exercise. See you in the next video. Bye.